Finals and a final in a losing cause last time out. Coach Eric Tinkler puts out this lineup today. Miguel Tim and Anessa Mtambo, as you heard from, to travel to Tshwane to take on Mamelodi Sundowns. But yeah, that's the nature of the draw. That's the nature of the MTN 8. It really is. I think a couple of hours ago, as far as the standing water on the surface is concerned. Sekhukhune United will get us underway playing.
Seems like Ashley Kibido is not too happy holding his hamstring at this moment in time.
And why? Place taken by Masiba and Koo. Part of the season in the previous campaign. Nice contender as well, and Ronaldo Lina forced into. There's a previous effort from Eninaya.
Good strong.
The opposition goalkeeper. Tell you what, Sekhukhune United are under a bit of scrutiny here as De Jong tries to pressurize Tsepo Matsimbi, who does well.
Good bit of skills there by Andre De Jong. Firstly getting past his defender, then trying to just,
Eninaya looking for something.
Bit of confusion there amongst the Sekhukhune defense. You know he's going to come inside and go on the left foot, and then you find yourself both players running with the runner Eninaya just on the overlap.
Oh, beautiful header, Eninaya! Freedom created by Sekhukhune United. The 26-year-old Nigerian hits it past Ronaldo Lina. Stellenbosch lead by a goal to nil.
Oh, we did mention the fact that set plays become very important. When you can't keep the ball on the ground, you can't play carpet football. You've got to make the set plays count, and Stellenbosch definitely the start that they wanted here for Coach Steve Barker. The fans are absolutely jubilant and excited about that first goal. The last couple of home games, they've come from behind. This time, they take the lead. But just look how he creates that space for himself. He waits for that ball to go into the area, and then he attacks it, just getting in front of the caller. He'll be very disappointed, because as a defender, you've got to react a lot faster than that. But take nothing away from Eninaya. Glancing header towards it.
With a little tickle, De Jong will clear. Oh, and that almost an intervention on Masiba and Koo, but then Koo's away and looking for Titus. There's a mistake in defense by Titus. Titus scores!
What a goal. And we've spoken about this before the game. The counter-attack and the speed that Stellenbosch possess is going to be a massive problem for Sekhukhune. And Koo does really well on the right-hand side. And that final pass, the outside of the left foot to find Devin Titus, who calmly just controls that ball with the left foot and deceives Lina going across his body. That's the move they were hoping for.
I'm awfully glad. There seemed to be a little bit of jersey tugging on Koo when he was making his way down that right-hand side. I'm awfully glad the referee let him go.
That's great.
Pull him back.
That's great play from referee Zanzeka. Could have easily given the foul, but he saw the advantage.
And it came from a defensive position. There's Cardoso's ball. And then suddenly it all turned. De Jong. There's the little intervention, and the referee didn't even signal, he just let it go.
There's that turn and acceleration, and then just Daniel Cardoso just misjudging the ball at the end, the flight of the ball.
Stellenbosch FC, he says, has the salute as well as fingers on the lips as French Titus has to make a save. Not sure what that celebration was from Titus. Maybe the fans can be quiet now because... And Koo with an interception. Kiba, De Jong holds his feet nicely. Cardoso tracks the New Zealander down and then releases Eninaya. Got a lot of work to do as the man from Nigeria can't quite find Titus. Nice little touch from Koo as well, and then the breakaway, and then onside here from Devin Titus. Is he going to cut inside again? He does. This time comes to vogue with Madupi Tokolo. Bosch, and there even their second victory of the season at home. Oh, mistake again, and off the other side of the crossbar from Nkulu, just when he thought.
Great work, pressure from Titus, and look at that pass in between the defense. Only thing he had to do is just keep it a little bit lower. Good timing of the run as well. Crossbar coming to the rescue again for Sekhukhune.
De Jong does well initially, but ball eventually does pop out here to Stellenbosch FC's Toto Kiba. Shrill blast of the whistle from the match referee, and problems here for Sekhukhune and Kize, and the referee has gone to the pockets. Just charged into that challenge. Kize. Sekhukhune United, purposeful. Daka can't control, and Makhalwa arrives too late.
It's a good effort from Sekhukhune. Really piling on the pressure now, and Lube on the right hand side just couldn't keep that cross down to find either Grobler or Huisu or Makhalwa on the far post. Looking to get back into this game.
In Mexico, Canada and the United States. Makhalwa taking on Eninaya once again. Just overran it a bit, but Eninaya has been a tricky man, both on the defensive and on the attack.
Eninaya also very strong in defense. Ooh, could have been a corner, would it, at the end? Eninaya getting the last touch.
To get a corner kick off Eninaya, and on will come Malacheni Mampuru. Heavy surface, it really is. Away by Tim. Oh, he's all! Stanish just enough.
He did everything well, getting in front of Stanic. Stanic waiting for the ball. As a defender, you've got to attack it. You've got to go in, step forward, but you've got to keep that strike down. Referee Zanzek has had enough.